Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we got this beautiful 2011 Mazda 2 with us here today, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you the before on the regular halogen light bulbs, and we're gonna do a LED conversion and show you the difference afterwards. So this is the LED conversion kit that we got here for this vehicle. It's a H4. And it's a simple straight plug and play. There's no modifications, no messing around with wires. Just gonna open it up to show you what it looks like here. And there's the kit right there. This kit comes with two bulbs, obviously, and once you remove your old light bulbs, you just connect these ones in. So I'm just going to show you what these headlights look like before we replace them. So we're going to turn off the lights in here, and we'll try to see if we can get a comparison. And the lights are totally off right now in the shop, and that's what it would look like at night. And now we're going to replace them with the LEDs and show you the after, and we can determine that's the high beam, that's the high beam, which we're not replacing. We're replacing the low beams, but that's what it would look like. So just going to show you how to replace these bulbs. This is the plug here, and you just pull this straight out. Once you have that out, you'll want to remove the cover that slides on here. Just pull the tabs out and you will see the light bulb right there. These light bulbs are fairly simple to replace. They just have their spring loaded, so you just press on the spring here and remove it to the side, and then you can pull the bulb out right out like that. And just to make sure that there are H4s, we're going to see the bulb here. Is that an H4? Hard to tell. So yep, the low beams are H4s, and we're going to go ahead and install these, and then I'm going to show you the after. So we see the comparison. Alright guys, so we got this one side in. Just a note here, that boot that covers your factory headlight to keep water, dirt and debris out of your headlights, what you'll have to do is just cut two slots into it to allow the new LED bulb to stick out, because these LED bulbs do get hot, and the back of the bulb there is a fan, so it needs to circulate air. So just make sure that you got it sticking out of that boot right there. And once you do that, just plug it in and you'll be good to go. Alright, so this is what they look like when they're on. And we're going to see what they look like with at night with the lights off here. And this is the after. LED headlight bulb conversion from H4 halogen to H4 LED. And leave a comment in the comment section if you guys see a big difference. I'll go back in the footage and just check the before and after. But definitely looks a lot brighter to me. So yeah, this is the LED low beam headlight conversion. Thank you for watching my video, and if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more great videos like this. Thank you and have a great day.